How to use Study Buddy. This is Study Buddy as you open it. Let's look at a lesson on mathematics, selected from the menu. Double-click on the video to toggle between the full screen mode and the normal view. Constructions. Compass is an instrument that is used to make mathematical drawings. It has a handle, two legs with one as a needle point and the other which is fixed with a pencil. That will be used frequently in mathematical constructions. You may see the video icon here, which shows this particular topic has a lesson. Let's look at a lesson in biology as well. The heart. Central to the human circulatory system is the muscular pump, the heart, which is responsible for keeping blood moving, is prevented by the closure of the semilunar valves. You may take down text notes by clicking text notes icon and then simply by typing whatever is needed. Once done, text notes could be closed with a mouse click. You may select Record Notes by clicking on the Record Notes icon and then go on to record the notes by clicking on the microphone icon. Once done, you may stop the recording by clicking on the Stop button and then close the Record Notes option with a mouse click. You may use both text notes and record notes at the same time too. When a lesson is completed, you may click on these buttons to replay, go to the next lesson, or go to the shop page for purchases. Knowledge tests are indicated by a joystick icon on the topic line. Each game tests the knowledge gathered in a preceding lesson. The games of various types. Help facility provides help to find the answer. Furthermore, the facility to browse the lesson whilst in the test and reverting to take part in the test again makes it very easy and revives the memory in just a few minutes. How to take part in the test can be seen with a click on the How button. Each subunit is provided with a vocabulary game to study the keywords learnt in the subunit. This game facilitates a glossary, and you may toggle between the game and the glossary to master the keywords. Revision is indicated by a notebook icon. The revision makes you browse through the subunit in a summarized form. Should you decide to check the lesson in detail, you may go to the lesson there and then check the area needed and revert back to the summary once again to continue. How to register and purchase content. This is how you order and download lessons from the Study Buddy webshop. Click on the shop icon at the top of the screen. If this is your first time, you are required to register with us by filling these details: name, email address, contact details, country of residence. Enter the password of choice twice. If you have been forwarded to Study Buddy by an agent, you may select the agent or leave it as it is. Once these details are submitted, you will be indicated of being successfully registered with Study Buddy. Once registered, please enter the email address and the password as shown for authentication. You will be taken to the Study Buddy webshop. You may narrow down the selection using the drop-downs here. Lessons as per your selection are now shown to you. As the cursor is moved onto a lessons icon, View More or Add to Cart icons will appear on the lesson icon. You could select the total unit of a lesson by pressing the Add to Cart button here, or go further to check on the details by pressing the View More option. In here, you are shown the smallest components that could be purchased. You may click on the Watch option to see a short preview of the content selected. When Add to Cart option is selected, the selected content will be added to your cart. You may go on adding lessons, games, revisions to the cart as you wish. Once the selection is over, use the Back to Filters option at the top right-hand corner. On this screen, use the View My Cart option at the top right-hand corner. You will see the selected items in the shopping cart. If the items are correct, press Proceed to Checkout tab at the bottom of the page. You will see a list of purchases. Click on the Place Order button at the bottom of the page. You will be prompted a page to provide details required based on the mode of payment selected. Once the payment is completed, the thank you page is shown. Please wait. It will take a while for us to bundle your selected contents, download to your computer and place the lesson contents in the Study Buddy user interface. After making the payment, if the online connectivity is broken whilst the contents are being downloaded, please proceed as follows. Wait till the online connectivity is re-established. Sign in through the shop page. Visit the View Your History page. All lesson contents you have so far paid for are shown here. Select the lesson contents that were interrupted whilst being downloaded and receive them without any additional payment.